So what is it? क्या है ये? Homemade butter?
Apple butter.
Apple butter.
Yeah.
ये शुरू हो चुका है कि आपने अपना फ्यूल खुद डालना है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान में ऐसा नहीं है. So it's not automated. Then what? You're gonna put cash in it or what?
No, so I'll just go inside there and pay him.
Oh,
And then in usual cases, like tomorrow, I'll go fuel up. So I'll put a little bit of fuel in now. So tomorrow I'll go fuel up at the usual place I fuel up.
so viewers, it's day 2 in Dewsbury, and मेरा ना plan था. How are you doing? He was waiting for me actually since like ages. और मैं उठाऊं तकरीबन I think 1 बज गया था almost. Because this was the first day since I arrived to UK कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं थी जिसके लिए मुझे ना वो that would be ringing a bell in my mind कि नहीं मुझे वहाँ पहुँचना. So right there when you get to see
Why are you so happy?
Lily, say hi to the viewers. You know you're gonna have a separate fan base. Hi. So cute. It's okay, that's the morning. So look at this. This is one of the privileged guys when you visit. ये check करें. चटनी और कि कल भी वीडियो में आपको जो फर्स्ट वीडियो मिलेगी उसके एंड पे मैंने काटा था. दिस इज समथिंग माय सिस्टर बेक्ड एट होम. नाउ आई एम गोना हैव माय यूजुअल ब्रेकफास्ट. मेरा नाश्ता वो नहीं होता देसियों वाला के पराठे और ऑल दैट. और चलें फिर दिन का आगाज करते हैं. Okay, so viewers, eggs came with the topping और मुझे लगा I just moved it away. I thought it's just for the presentation. But it's crust and they eat it like a salad here. So चलो फिर try करते हैं. So what is it? क्या है ये? Homemade butter?
Apple butter.
Apple butter.
Yeah. It's from organic apples.
And bananas.
No, not bananas.
It only looks.
Did they put sugar in it?
Okay, that's more like a jam.
Yeah, but it's because it doesn't have other things in it. It's just called butter. It's
Butter.
made with the good. Yeah, you call it butter because it's brown, and it's the way it's cooked. Jam से ज़्यादा cook हो जाता है ये. Jam को cook करते हैं उसमें cornflour डालते हैं. So it's different than that.
Okay, so viewers check करें कितने प्यारे प्यारे घर हैं यहाँ पे. So this is your boundary wall. Nobody can come in. This is your area, yeah, inside the wall. So can people hang out here, or would it be trespassing?
No, this is a public path away, but nobody's gonna come and hang around outside.
Okay, but the moment they step in, then it'll be trespassing.
Yeah, then I have the right to shoot them.
Something like that. How would you
I'm
prove
not
this?
kidding. I can't shoot them. We can't hurt people like that. You just ask them to leave. That's it.
Okay.
So that's ivy. That's growing. I
Oh.
planted that. So it just attaches itself to the wall. You must have seen this in old English buildings. A lot of it is ivy. It just grows onto the building.
Nice. So viewers, हमने भी जाना है मेरी niece को लेके आना. So I had this guy involved with me in conversations. तो भूल गए हैं. तो मैंने सोचा चले मैं साथ चलता हूँ. Oh, yesterday we parked it down there.
Yeah,
So there are two roads, huh?
I thought I'd offer you a bit of confusion.
You guys have it, they don't.
Yeah. So I put this in. I didn't do it myself, but I had it done. So you know these hedges here? I usually cut these hedges, but what's happened is they've gone so long this year because last time I didn't really do it,
Yeah.
and now look at it, it's all overgrown on the side, and now I can't reach it. I have a telescopic hedge cutting, so I do all of this. Look, you see all this is cut, and I trim all this, shape it up to here, I shape it onto here. This is all I've done, shaped along here. I just need the machinery now to take off the top.
So this is something nice, huh? For the privacy and all.
Yeah, even though somebody burnt that, some kids
Oh.
burnt it recently. So obviously this offers all privacy here. This is the boundary to the end, you see it? It's there to there. Here, listen, we're gonna get lit.
All right.
So this is all Dewsbury that you see.
Viewers, check करें. यहाँ पे भी हिली एरिया है, लेकिन रोड्स आपको बिल्कुल परफेक्ट मिलेंगी.
So this is, below this is the train track, this bridge.
Okay.
And then this is the bridge that just gets us onto the next road.
Yeah, yesterday you were talking about this bridge.
Yeah.
While taking
Yeah.
when you said if you would.
This is the
make
Smart's
it
gym. He goes for the one like next to the house. This here,
Okay.
Ironheart. And look, this is the train station just down here.
So viewers, वो सामने ट्रेन स्टेशन है और गाड़ी ना इस वक्त उड़ा रहे हैं क्योंकि So how late are we?
No, just a few minutes. She might be coming out this time, but I'd like to be there before she leaves, you see. So that there is the Dewsbury Town Centre on your right. Up there, Halifax Road takes you up to Batley. Again, there, do you see that's the railway track?
So
Just
what
above
do you
there.
have up there? That's hill?
Yeah, it's just a little. It's known as Calms Woods. So it's just like a little bit of woods there. You can go
Which
for a
woods?
walk there. It's called Calms.
Calms.
Yeah, CALMS.
Oh,
Calms. Wood.
calms. Like calm down. That calms.
Yeah, you can say that.
So people go there to calm down?
No, I don't know. It's probably named after somebody. You see the train up there?
हाँ, ये वो check करें.
So that train's just coming from Leeds.
मैं कल viewers लीड्स में उतर गया था और अगर मैं ट्रेन वहाँ लीड्स से मुझे चेंज करनी थी स्विच करके मैं यहाँ पे इनके बिल्कुल घर के करीब ट्रेन आती है. So अभी हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं और इतनी जल्दी ना आप लाहौर में नहीं पहुंच सकते. इवन द सेम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हिज हाउस टू स्कूल, अगर ये लाहौर होता तो ट्रैफिक इतनी मिलनी थी कि 20 मिनट एटलीस्ट 20 से 25 मिनट लग जाते हैं रास्ते में ही. लेकिन यहाँ पे ऑल दो ट्रैफिक भी है लेकिन इनका ट्रैफिक सिस्टम इट्स रियली नाइस, वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड मैनेज्ड. Obviously this is something which is not new for you, but I'm coming from a country like
Yeah.
I would observe everything. Look at the roads, viewers. It's like upwards, downwards, right, left. It's swinging.
You know, this is why when I was there in Pakistan, people were like, "Oh, you can't drive in Pakistan." I'm like,
Yeah.
trust me, with the road networks we have here, I can drive anywhere because our networks is amazing. You know. So this is the backside to her school.
Okay.
So this is the back entrance. Really easy usually to collect her from here. And there's an entrance in the front. I'll just turn from there. In fact, I'll turn from there.
Oh, look who's there.
Why are you here? You took my seat.
Yeah.
Sit in the back, thank you very much.
Do you want to sit here on the front? So guys, we have her with us and I just took her seat. I hope you won't put a pillow on
So
my
everything
face
you see
when I
there,
sleep.
On the left is all
Oh,
Mate, stop taking pictures of me.
part of the school.
Doing. These teachers are gonna yell at you. Oh, was that Mr. Cup? He's old, bro. Dad, you can't go in the grass.
right.
Who's that?
That's Mr. Shiraz. That's my friend, by the way. He's a teacher.
Phoenix!
so
You
we
have to be
was
careful when he's
So
around.
this is all the school grounds that we're in now.
okay. I think we should make a U-turn before
You should
Jumeirah.
leave. The children actually kill you.
Yeah, I'll just turn from
These
there.
kids are scary, mate. These are teachers.
So we was अभी यहाँ पे एक पाकिस्तानी चीज़ हुई है. Parents, general people are not allowed to enter into this parking. Yeah,
They can.
they can.
In cases where kids need picking up from here,
Oh.
it's just to control the.
Yeah, but you'd get in trouble. You'd get in trouble if you don't like, you know, go in.
Okay. So that's a nice school you have here.
This is all their grounds too.
But viewers again जो चीज़ मैं mention कर रहा था, आप देख सकते हो कि एक proper ना system है. आपको गाड़ियाँ और buses और coaches यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेंगी road पे school के सामने. और this is something
I guess.
which never happens in Pakistan. वहाँ पे कोई भी school है उसके सामने especially जब छुट्टी होती है traffic is so jammed up for 1 hour. Okay, so viewers अब हम जा रहे हैं बाहर और look at this. UAE में तो ये शुरू हो चुका है कि आपने अपना फ्यूल खुद डालना है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान में ऐसा नहीं है. So it's not automated. Then what? You're gonna put cash in it or what?
No, so I'll just go inside there and pay him.
Oh,
And then in usual cases, like tomorrow, I'll go fuel up. So I'll put a little bit of fuel in now.
Oh.
So tomorrow I'll go fuel up at the usual place I fuel up, and there's nobody. It's all automated.
so viewers usually आप just इसको अपना जो कार्ड है वो स्वाइप करते हो और you just fill it up. And where are we heading now?
Inside there to pay.
No.
Oh, you mean to? Oh, we're gonna go out to Bradford now.
Okay.
Have whatever you can.
To be honest, yeah.
Okay, listen.
Guys, this is cooking.
Yusuf, careful.
This is cooking lessons, guys.
And they have prawns over there.
I'm not into prawns, you know.
You should try that one.
Okay.
Becca? No,
Go right to the bottom.
take the knife.
He's being too nice to it. You need to like actually dig it.
I'm
And his nose. Just no, it wasn't the fun. No, let me. Watching, we all had.
You want to put chicken or lamb in? What would you like?
It's all tiny.
yeah, me too.
Sleepy now, yeah? I've got food. Don't worry, you can relax and go. I was thinking we'll go to dessert after this, man.
So viewers, ये second day था ड्यूसबरी में और खिला के पागल किया हुआ है हमें और देख सकते हैं आप स्पेशली जो रेस्टोरेंट है उसमें जो यूनिक चीज़ मेरे लिए थी जिस तरह से नान को वो लटकाया हुआ था इस तरह से पाकिस्तान में नान को लटका के नहीं सर्व करते. हाँ, नैंडोज़ में इस तरह से होता था. बाकी इट्स गोइंग रियली वेल. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, अगली वीडियो में डालूँगा जल्दी.